So in this lesson, guys, what I will be doing, I'll be reducing the angles. But you should understand, guys, the word reduce, it means decreasing, meaning that I'll be decreasing the angle from obtuse angle into acute angle there. I hope, guys, those pronunciation of these words, I pronounce them very well. Obtuse angle into acute angle. Do you see? When I'm talking about obtuse angle, guys, I'm talking about the angle which is between 90 and 180 degree. Do you see? Between 90 and 180 degree. Those examples, guys, are this angle will be reducing this angle, meaning that will decrease this angle into acute angle. Acute angle, guys, it is the angle which is between what? Actually, which is less than 90 degree. This one, it's less than 90 degree, meaning we'll reduce this thing to become like this one there. Do you see? But now what I need you to also understand, guys, is that obtuse angle, we won't only reducing the obtuse angle like this angle only. Even angle like this one, reflex angle, these are the reflex angle, this one, angle which are greater than 180 degree, will also reduce them to form acute angle. Do you see? And this thing, guys, it got 6 alphabet. It means that it got more than 90 degree. Those are the angle which are more than 90 degree. The one which got six alphabet, and the one which got 5 alphabet, 1 2 3 4 5, is the one, guys, which is less than 90 degree, angle which are less than 90 degree. So now I can just go straight, guys. This one I explained it there from my previous lesson, even as well as this I explained from my previous lesson, even as well as this one I explained, and also this one that we explain as well. But our main focus, guys, today, it will be how to apply this thing. This one, guys, is so important for you to know how to apply it. Yeah. So these are the example these are the question that we have. From this question that they say to you, reduce the following into an acute angle, meaning that decrease the following into the angle which are less than 90 degree there. So I'll reduce this thing into a angle which is less than 90 degree. So let me do it. So for me to do that, guys, the first thing that I will do, I will identify that this thing there, it is on which quadrant. Here we got 0, we got 360, that's 90, that's 180, that's 270. So now what I will do, guys, this, it is between 90 and 180. It means that it is on a second quadrant. It means I move until there. Do you see? And here I can draw, guys, a triangle, just something like this there. For me to draw a triangle, it means I will join with the x-axis all the time. Join it with the x-axis. But now, guys, I should also know that this thing, it's all student take coffee. Do you see? And the position there on the second quadrant, this is the position there on the second quadrant. It's 180 minus theta, meaning here we got 180 minus theta. So again, now let me apply again now this knowledge of that 180 here. This thing, it simply says that this thing there, it's 180 minus by theta. Do you see? It is on this quadrant, and I know that on that quadrant, sign that it's positive. Reduce that angle to become as theta. So now let me answer the question. This question, I will answer it like this. It's sine 180 minus. Now I should find the angle that I will put it here. When I minus it with 180, I should get that 130. That angle, guys, when I minus it with 180, I should get 130. It means 180 minus by 130, it is 50. So it means here it's 50. So it means that 180 minus by 50, it's 130 there. Do you see? But no need for me to press that on a calculator. What I can do, this thing there, it represents what you call a position. This one there, it's my position. And what I can do, guys, is this one. This is a position down the second quadrant. This, it's positive. Then I reduce the angle. This, it's a final answer. Do you see? These are the marks, guys. 1, 2. So now let me just do the next question, guys. For the next question, then we still do one and the same thing, guys. Like, we just start by a Cartesian plan. We know here it's 0, that's 90, that's 180, that's 270, that's 360. And this angle, guys, 200, it is on the third quadrant there, meaning that I move until there. So all students take coffee. For me to draw my triangle there, I will join it with the x-axis there. For the triangle, I will join it with the x-axis. And the position, guys, on this quadrant, here's our position. On the third quadrant, it's 180 plus. So that's 180 plus theta. So now what I will do, I will use this information, guys, this there, to reduce this angle. For me now to reduce that angle, I know that I got cos, that's 180 plus theta. These guys on this cos there in this position, guys, it's negative there. In this position, cos there it's negative, because on the third quadrant, only tan which is positive, meaning cos there must be negative. And now I can reduce this angle of saying cos 180 plus, what angle can I add with 180 so that I'll get 200? That angle, guys, it's 20 there. Do you see? For me to find that angle there, I can just even press this thing like this there. I can even say 180 or 180 minus by that 200. That thing there, it's 20. Meaning there 20, if I add it with what? With 180 there, it's 200. So then now what I will do, I know this thing there, it's a position whereby cos there it's negative, then you reduce the angle 20. Do you see? This is what we call acute angle. Like that spelling, guys, this day. That angle, it's less than 90 degrees. So coming now for the what? For the third one. For the third one there, let's try to find out this thing there. It is on which quadrant? But this one there, guys, it is on this quadrant there. Here it's 90, 180, that's 0. So this thing there, it is on the fourth quadrant here. So I move until there. Do you see? For me to draw a triangle, I will do it like this there. I join it with the x-axis all the time. And all students take coffee. Do you see? So now, this, I should find a position there on the fourth quadrant. The position, guys, on the fourth quadrant, it is this one there, 360 minus by theta. Meaning that I'll just say to you that 360 minus by theta. So this will, I will use it as a what? As a information there. I will take this thing, I will come and plot it here. Meaning this thing there, it's tan 360 minus by this there. But in this position, guys, tan, it's negative. Then we'll reduce the angle. Do you see? So now, let me apply this information to the question then. This is a question now. Meaning here it's tan, then you just say 360 minus. What number can I put it here? When I minus it with what? With 360, I should get that 320. So for me, guys, to find that number, what I will do, I can even say to you 320 minus by what? By this there. Do you see what I get? I'll get negative 40. But that negative sign, guys, I don't take. I only take the number there. I come and put it here. So it means that 360 minus 40, it's still the same as what? As 320. So this, guys, it's a position for, don't forget that it's a position on the fourth quadrant. And on the fourth quadrant, tan there, it's negative. Meaning this thing there, it's negative, tan, then you reduce the angle. Just like this there. That is the final answer, guys, of the question there. Do you see? So now let's come for this one now. Then for this one, guys, what I will do, I will just do this thing there. I know this thing there, it is on this quadrant where there is 90, 180, 270, 360, that there. And I move until there. Meaning my triangle there will be like this there. Do you see? But now the position, guys, in this quadrant, remember, when you go that side, you read with a positive angle. but when you go that side, you read with a negative angle. Do you see? So it means that I'm here, but I move that side. I'm on 180, I move on a negative direction there. Do you see? Meaning this is the position there. So this one, guys, it's a position. Let's use that position, guys, for here. Meaning this thing there will just be what? That sine 180 minus by theta, which is this thing there. It's positive sine theta. So these guys, I can apply it now to the question of saying it's sine 180 minus there. What number can I put it here when I minus it with 180? I should get 120. That number, guys, obvious that number there, it's 60. This thing there, it's straightforward. Like, check something. You just say here, you can press this like this, then off. You can start with the one which is up minus down. Up minus down, you will get the answer. You will get negative 60, but just only consider the number. Don't ignore the sign. Just take the number and put it there. So now I know that this thing, guys, it is on the second quadrant. Sine there, it's positive. Then I can reduce the angle. I'll get 60. Do you see? This thing, guys, it is so easy. This one is so easy.